Hey everyone, Megan O'Hara with EasyIT here with your Mondays with Megan tech tip. If you want to know how I have the time to be sitting outside right now, watch this video to find out. So how do I have the free time to be sitting outside right now? Because I have an organized inbox. How do you do that? Here's how. In Microsoft Outlook, simply click on View and then Show Focused Inbox. By doing this, Microsoft will start to organize your emails into a focused inbox and an other inbox. If they put an email in the wrong folder, simply right-click on that email and say move to focused inbox or move to other inbox. It's that easy. By doing this, you'll be able to look at your focused emails when you are in a crunch for time, and when you have some downtime and are able to catch up on the not so urgent emails, you can look at your other inbox. I hope this tip is super helpful to you guys and that you're able to enjoy some beautiful weather this week. I will catch you all next week. For more information, go to easyit.com or call me at 614-339-4986.